Bismillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to construct an angle of 60 degree by using compass. To do so, first draw a line, name ends point of the line as AB. Take a compass, adjust it to a small radius. Take point A as center, draw an arc as shown. Do not change the previous adjustment of the compass. This arc will intersect the line AB at the point C. Taking the point C as center, draw another arc. This arc will cut the previous arc at point D. Finally, draw a line passing through point D from the end point of line segment AB and extend it to the point E. Let us measure the angle we have just created by using compass. Yes, it is 60. If you found this video useful, please click on the like button, share the video with the friends so that we learn together.